What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your guys tonight, Diamond here, and I'm back here with another video. If this is the first time you're seeing my face on your screen, make sure you guys give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out my previous videos over here. If you haven't seen any of these, definitely check them out, especially the Fenty Beauty review. Check that out too. So I have another makeup video for you guys. I got the ColourPop X Shrek palette. I do also want the mascara and the Donkey lip gloss, but I'll get it that next time. However, I did get free shipping on this, which a must catch a free shipping day with ColourPop. So yeah, this is my second Shrek palette. Honestly, I have a Makeup Revolution one, which I'm gonna show you a picture of how that looks like. That's their version of their Shrek collab. I also have their ginger. Hang on, so much stuff in front of me. I also have this from that collection too. This is the Gingy highlighter. So they do like the little tinfoil thing as well. And I think that's the only thing I picked up from that one. I never reviewed it because I think I wasn't on YouTube at the time. Like I took almost like a 2-3 year break from YouTube. So yeah, but I love that. I love that it has two different, you know, artwork. And then when you open it up, it's like this. Now I might do a video comparing this one to the Makeup Revolution one day. I don't know yet. But I can say this one has like a lot more greens, neutral color on the side. So you guys can see. So the shades are layers. Shrek happens, better out than in, short supply. Sir Knight, Gingy, I'm making waffles. What the Shrek? They said that. I watched me so many damn times. I guess I didn't catch they said that. Daco. I know I said that wrong. My swamp. No, I know. That will do Donkey. Guarded Castle. Nice. Boulder, Fair, 3 well over, and it has like the little 3-point mice in the back. So ColourPop always know how to put a collab together. Like ColourPop and Glamlight stands out of all these brands that do collabs. Honestly, like Glamlight be going all out. I recently got their Soul collection, so I'm waiting for that to come in. So yeah, let's give this a try now. I'm gonna start off with Short Supply, which is this pink. It doesn't look pink on camera, but start off with that. I always like to start off with a nude shade or a light pink shade first. I just realized there's only 3 green shades. There's not there's like an olive green in here, but the green I'm thinking about is not in here. It's more of a shimmer. But we're still gonna make this work. So I have a lot of green palettes anyways, so it's not like a big deal. But I'm just saying, if you want to use this palette and just by itself, and you want a certain green shades, it's not in this palette. Alright, so as you can see, the palette works really good. I really like how the colors blend, especially that green shimmer, which is what the Shrek. So pretty. I also put Sir Night in the inner corner. Can't really tell because it's mixed in with the green. I put the I'm making waffles in my brow bone. So really nice. I could have added layers. This shade probably would pop. Or it probably would just blend in with the green too. I don't know, I feel like you can't even tell there, but I feel like it brightens it up a little bit, but there's that. And now I'm gonna add this highlighter, which I don't know. It's like a bronzy nude highlighter. Oh well, before I put that, let me put my blush first. Remember using this. I put this Fenty Beauty in shade Sham Stamp Fantasy. If y'all want to know the review on this, go and check out my Fenty Beauty, video. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. Loving it. Feel like this color goes perfectly with this look. So yeah. So let me know what you guys think about the eyeshadow. I think I done really good. So yeah. Hope you guys, I need to take these out today and like re-put them on or something because my hair is like coming out of them. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out my Instagram page, my makeup Instagram page, because this look and swatch and stuff will be posted on my Instagram page, so make sure you guys check out that Instagram page, follow it, and all that good stuff. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.